Hello everyone. Today's topic is permutation and combination. Very important topic. Okay. It is useful for BBA student, BCA student, BCom, BBA, IB, BSc, BSc, Maths. Okay. Then for competitive exam. Okay, for aptitude for interview. Okay, net set exam, net set PATE. Okay, everywhere the questions will ask on the permutation and combination. So save my video for lifetime. Okay, it is very important. Banking exam, everywhere ask. Okay, so it is very important. See, in the permutation and combination, there is a factorial notation. Factorial notation. Okay. Permutation is denoted by NPR and the formula is n factorial upon n minus r bracket factorial. Okay. NCR is the combination n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r bracket factorial. These are the formulas. We'll see later on. But before that, what is the factorial notation? Okay, this is the factorial notation, n factorial. This symbol is used for factorial notation and how to find the factorials. Okay, before start the permutation and combination, we see how find the factorials of the numbers. Okay, factorial notation. See, if we had to find 5 factorial. Okay, see carefully. If I want to find 5 factorial, see, 5 keep as it is. This 5 number keep as it is into this number minus 1. Same number minus 2. Okay. Minus 3. Minus 4. Okay. What it means? It means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. 5 factorial means this. Reverse counting. Okay. Clear? Similarly, if I want to find n factorial. So what is the answer? See, n. Similarly, n keep as it is into, what I write here, 5 minus 1. So it is n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Okay, into up to dash 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 and last number 3, 2, 1. Okay, if I take any number 50 factorial. Okay, what I write here, 50 into 49 into 48 into 47 into 46 up to dash 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 dash, reverse counting. Okay, dash dash dash, 3, 2, 1. Like this I write here 3, 2, 1. Why? Because this is the reason. Okay, if I want to find 9 factorial, what I write here, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 1. Sorry, 2 into 1. Clear? So this is the factorial notation. Okay, you have to mark 1 factorial up to 10 factorial. Learn it. Directly learn it. Okay. 1 factorial, is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 is 2. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. Okay. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 24. Okay. 5 factorial is 5 into 3 into 2 into, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 1. So 5 factorial 120. Likewise, find out up to 10 factorial and mark it. Okay. At the time of examination, we don't have a time. So directly, if you have to find the 5 factorial, but quickly write down 120. If you want to find 7 factorial, quickly write down 50, 40. Okay. Likewise. So, learn up to 1 to 10 factorial. Clear? If yes, comment in the comment box. Now, we'll go for permutation. Okay, first topic is permutation. Okay. See, permutation NPR. Okay, this is the notation for permutation, and formula is n factorial upon n minus r bracket factorial. This is the formula for the permutation. Okay, here n is number of object. N is number, I write shortcut here, number of object taken r at a time. Taken r at a time. N is the number of object taken r at a time. Okay, this is the permutation. One more thing, permutation is, remember this thing, permutation is the arrangement. Okay, one word, arrangement. Arrangement. Permutation is the arrangement of n object taken r at a time, and combination is the selection process. Okay, selection process. Whenever I will start, I'll tell you what is the combination. But remember, for the selection we use combination, and arrangement we use the permutation. Okay, these are the keywords. For selection we use combination. For arrangement we use permutation. Okay. See, definition always ask in exam. Okay, what is the definition? Number of arrangement. Number of arrangement that can be formed out of n things. Out of n things taking r at a time is called as the number of permutations of the n things. Clear? And this is the formula. Okay, see, this permutation is always used, means it is very, very useful for finding the probability. Okay, and in a competitive exam, probability questions always ask. So do it carefully. See, here n and r are the positive integers. See, n and r are positive integers. So there is one condition. 1 is less than or equal to r is less than or equal to n. So remember, this r is always less than n. Okay, r is always less than n. So 5p2. Okay, condition is fulfilled here. 2p5. No, condition is not fulfilled. So this is the correct permutation. This will not happen because r always less than n, or equal to, maybe equal to 2p2. We can write like this, but not like this, because r is always less than n. So 5 is bigger than 2. This is right, this is right. Okay, clear? So this condition is very, very useful. Okay, this is the notation NPR, permutation. Sometimes in a question paper they use this type of notation PNR. This is also permutation. Okay, or NPR. Okay, so NPR is the permutation of n object taken r at a time. These two are same notation. Okay, alternative for each other. I write here denoted by symbol NPR or PNR, and it is given by this. Clear? Take a screenshot. This is the definition and formula. Clear? Okay. Next is the note. Important note. See, in the permutation, order is very, very important. So this note is very important. When the order is change, a different permutation is obtained. A different permutation is obtained. See, permutation is obtained. So in the permutation, order is important. Okay, how it is, I will show you using example. Okay, for example, if we have A, E, I, O, U, vowels, English alphabets. Okay, vowels. Suppose I take 3 at a time. Okay, 3 at a time, starting with E. 3 at a time, starting with E. Okay, see, take any 3, I, O, U. Okay, I, O, U, but starting with E. So every result is starting with E, but take only 3 alphabets at a time. So given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means there are 5 objects, and R is what? 3. Clear? Okay. Now if I write E, A, I. Okay, E, I, A. Then E, I, O. Then E, O, I. Again E, O, U. E, U, O. Okay. Permutations. Okay. E, A, O. E, O, A. Okay. I write here E, I, U. E, U, I. E, A, U. E, U, A. Okay. Clear? So this is the permutation. Clearly there are 12 permutation, not more than 12. Okay, try out, not more than 12. Clear? This is called as the permutation, and we find out it by using the formula. Okay, these are the only 5 objects, and we have to take 3 at a time, so that we can do like this. But if they give us 24 objects, 50 objects and taken 2 at a time, then how? Then use the formula. Okay, I write here formula NPR equal to n factorial upon n minus r bracket factorial. Before start the examples, problems, we work on we work on the NPRs. Suppose 5P2. Okay, how to find this? If I get this answer, then how to find this? See, n factorial means 5 factorial. Okay, n minus r means what? 5 minus 2 bracket factorial. Clear? Just put, instead of n is 5 and instead of r is 2. Okay, then 5 factorial capacities divided by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is the 3 factorial. Okay, now what to do here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We know the 5. What is 5 factorial? And what is 3? 3 is 3, 2, 1. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 get cancelled. Answer is 20. So value of 5P2 is 20. Okay. Instead of this step, I write here 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. So 3 factorial get cancelled. Answer is 20. Okay, clear? Because 3, 2, 1 is 3 factorial. So I write directly 3 factorial here. Clear? Take a screenshot. Again, I'll take 9P3. Okay. Put it into formula. 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 bracket factorial. 9 factorial capacities. 9 minus 3 is the 6 factorial. Clear? Okay. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. So 6 factorial cancel, and the product of this 3 is 504. Okay, so answer of 9P3 is 504. Clear? Okay, remember these things. Okay, I write here 1 factorial is 1. Okay, 4. 0 factorial is always 1. Remember this identity. 0 factorial is always 1. Next is NPN. NPN means what? R equal to N. Put it into formula. N factorial upon N minus N bracket factorial. Okay. N minus N is what? 0 factorial. And 0 factorial is 1. So NPN is N factorial. NPN is the N factorial. Directly learn this identity. I write here N factorial. Okay. For example, 7P7. What I write here? 7 factorial. Directly write down 7 factorial since NPN is N factorial. Use this identity in exam. Do not waste your time to find out 7 factorial upon 7 minus 7 factorial. 7 factorial is this 0 and 7 factorial upon 1 and 7 factorial. Instead of used 7P7, it is 7 factorial since NPN equal to N factorial. Okay, do not waste your time in the silly things. Next identity is 6.1 is, last identity is NP1. Okay, put it into formula. N factorial upon N minus 1 bracket factorial. Okay, see, this is the N factorial N and this is the N minus 1. Something is minused from this number, so definitely this is the large number and this is the small number. Okay, if this is a 5, okay, and next denominator is 5 minus 1. Okay, definitely 5 minus 1 is less than 5. So similarly n minus 1 is less than n. So I write here n into n minus 1 bracket factorial upon n minus 1 bracket factorial, keep as it is. This get cancelled, answer is n. Clear? See, likewise, this is what n factorial upon n minus 1 bracket factorial. If I take n is 5, okay, this is ultimately 4. So I write here 5 into 4 factorial and 4 factorial as it is. Similarly, like this. So np1 is n. Okay. Use this note results in the exam. We called it as a results in an exam, and just saved your time. Okay, so this is what n. If I want to find 7p1, so answer is 7. Since write down this result, we know that. Okay, clear? Many times in exam they ask for 4 marks. Evaluate first and second for 2 marks. Okay, what they ask? They ask for 10 p 8. Okay, maybe they ask 10, no, maybe they ask 6 p 1. Okay, 6p1 or 6p6. Okay, so find out. It is for 2 marks. It is for 2 marks. Put it in the formula. 10 factorial upon 10 minus 8 bracket factorial. So 10 factorial, keep as it is. 10 minus 8 is 2 factorial. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial get cancel. Put all this value in the calci and find out the answer. Okay, here we use this identity, this one, 6p6 equal to 6 factorial. Write down in a bracket, since, or we know that what we know that npn is a n factorial. That's why we write here 6 factorial. And what is the 6 factorial? Don't waste your time in a finding 6 into 5 into 4. Directly write down 6 factorial is 720. So you will get the full marks, 2 marks. Clear? Next, evaluate. It is for 4 marks question. If npn equal to 720, find n. See, npn. What is the npn here? npn is n factorial. Okay, npn is n factorial equal to 720. Since we know that npn is n factorial. Okay, 720. We already know 720 is the 6 factorial. So I write here n factorial equal to 6 factorial. On both sides factorial notation get cancelled. So n equal to 6. From this steps you will get the 4 marks. Clear? In the practice question they ask, if 10p r equal to 5040, find r. Okay, what we have to find here? R. Just put it in the formula, 10 factorial upon 10 minus r bracket factorial. and 5040 is the factorial of C. Okay, then what we write here, we write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, and here also 7 factorial. I write here, okay, this term is divided here, 10 minus r is multiplied here. Take a cross multiplication. Okay, on both sides 7 factorial will get cancelled. What we get here, 10 into 9 into 8, it is 720. Here 10 minus r factorial, and we know that 6 factorial is 720. So we use here 6 factorial instead of 720, and here 10 minus r bracket factorial. On both sides factorial notation will get cancelled. So what we get here, 10 minus r equal to 6. Clear? So we have to find here r. I write here. So minus r capacities, 6 minus 10 minus r equal to 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Minus on both sides get cancelled, r equal to 4. From this solution you will get the 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks. Take a screenshot of this solution.